Hello, I'm Rupert Hargreaves, the Managing Editor of City AM, and I'm here at the Growth 500 event with Business Leader with Peter King, the Director of Business Banking at Oaknorth.
Thank you, Rupert.
Well, congratulations on being here and being one of the UK's fastest growing businesses. What are you most excited about in the UK business scene right now?
I think what we're excited about is that we get to support, not only are we one of the fastest growing companies, we also get to support them too. So as a bank that is very much focused at scaling businesses, they are the biggest contributor and they punch above their weight in terms of their contribution to the economy. And we get to support that in terms of their growth ambitions with the funding aspect, but also as a founder-led business, we want to support them all the way through that journey as well.
Do you think as a founder-led business, you're more in touch with the smaller businesses?
I think so, particularly in the industry of banking as well. In the fact that it probably doesn't have as many founder-led banks within that industry. It's much more traditional in that sense. So yeah, we were built and born out of our entrepreneurs and our founders' previous business and wanting to sort of disrupt banking in that sense. And yeah, we very much build our offering to be in touch with founders.
And what do you think are some of the biggest challenges businesses in the small and medium-sized space face today?
I think at an early stage, access to capital to be able to, and access to investment to be able to grow is the biggest challenge. Because I think we foster entrepreneurship very well in the UK, but then actually getting from a startup to a scale up is very difficult.
Yeah.
And getting that support, not only from an investment point of view, but that wider ecosystem to sort of get on that growth journey. And then at a later stage, I think we then lose a lot of great companies that maybe go and move geographies and go potentially across the ponds to the US, where the market is bigger and therefore the opportunity is bigger. So it's sort of retaining the later stage businesses at the same time.
Okay, and then coming back to Oaknorth, what are you most excited about for the business over the next 5 or 10 years?
Yeah, I think the two big areas that we're growing into is our business banking offering for scale-up businesses. So supporting those scaling businesses that I talked about that are raising money, that are contributing to the UK economy hugely, and need a bank that understands that journey and is there to support them all the way through. And then the other side of our growth journey, as we continue to lend to businesses, is now going to do that in the US. So in the last 12 months, we've expanded into the US, got our rep office license in New York back in August last year. We've already gone through $1 billion worth of lending in 12 months. So it shows the appetite for the Oaknorth approach is very much there. And our expansion is sort of going at pace. So we're going through regulatory approval to buy a US bank. And yeah, we're excited to continue our growth over in the US.
Well, that's great. Very exciting. Well, Peter, thank you for your time.
Thank you, Rupert.